Hello everyone, I'm Allison from Shengda. For those using Baofeng GT3, UV5R, BT888S, and other walkie-talkies, having a compact and stable backup antenna is essential. Today, I recommend the Shengda SRH805S dual-band walkie-talkie antenna, mini, portable, and able to enhance your signal. Mini size and portable design make it effortless to use, with an overall height of just 5 centimeters and a weight of only 0.05 kilograms. It's much more compact than the original long antenna of the walkie-talkie. It fits easily in your pocket or the side pouch of a backpack without taking up space. The ABS material and durable construction make it suitable for various scenarios. The shell is made of ABS material, making it less likely to break if dropped. More durable than ordinary antennas, its surface is treated to be non-slip, making it less likely to slip when plugging or unplugging. It uses an SMA-Female standard connector. It is directly compatible with most walkie-talkie interfaces. If you need a mini, portable, and stable signal walkie-talkie antenna, the SRH805S is a cost-effective choice. Shengda has specialized in communication antennas for 20 years. The SIH805S interface has undergone rigorous testing for both contact stability and material durability. We support OEM customization and can adjust colors and interface specifications according to bulk order requirements. After-sales service includes a 1-year warranty. If any non-human damage occurs, we can assist with replacement. Our technical team is always available to answer any questions about installation and compatibility. Thank you all. That concludes today's presentation.